Continue on I-10 west for 7 miles.
Thank God I have a brain. What? I don't know if it's like what kind of plane it is.
I don't give a
They paid you guys for to film here?
Did they pay us?
Yeah.
Yes, some of it.
Oh, cool. That's cool. So you're working here for 35
The
years.
company paid the owner money, but
Yeah. You didn't see much of it yourself? Yeah.
no.
That's really cool. Yeah. That'd be cool to get to meet all the
That
actors.
they filmed here. Y'all seen that one?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We're big fans. Yeah. We've seen the movie a lot. Yeah. It's a good movie. You should watch it.
You see that little black cow that's running up into the
No.
chute? Well, it's in that movie. Have you seen it at the beginning?
Yeah. I haven't seen a cow over there, but yeah, I've seen the area
Yeah.
back there, yeah. Very cool. You guys have a good day. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, this is Taylor. This is the Taylor Meat Factory. Inside the movie, they called the Blair Meat Factory. The sign was right up there in the movie. And this is right where she was running through. Now, we're not really supposed to be hopping here, but we're gonna do this just for the vlog and get it really, really quick, okay? Okay, let's go. All right. We got the shot, but we gotta leave because we're not allowed to be in there. Okay, just gonna hop back on the freeway. Thank God the freeway is right there. Okay, let's go. We don't want to be turned into butcher meat ourselves now. Actually, I would make a pretty good brisket. But fuck it, we gotta go. Go check out his channel if you want to see the video. Just remember that it is not real. This house is not like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie. All right, so we're on our way back to California right now, as you know, but we had to make a quick stop, a little detour. Where is it at? Right there. You know what that is? You probably don't, but if you do, you're a real one. That's the house from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, 2003 and 2006. That's the house they used for filming. We also stopped off at the slaughterhouse, and we're also going to the mill. I think this is so fucking cool. Like, I've been a fan of this movie. I probably watched it when I was like 9 years old or so, and it scared me shitless, of course, but it's one of those just great feelings that I had at the end of the movie where it just stuck with me. This eerie feeling, it just... Such a good movie. The aesthetic is great. The storyline is great. Acting is great. It's got Jessica Biel and Jonathan Tucker in it. Like, great actors, good looking movie, good looking place in Texas. Definitely check it out. Here, I'm gonna flip the camera around. And there it is. And the owner of the house actually pulled up too. He didn't seem very stoked about like us being here. Obviously, like a lot of people come. We actually saw another guy come, a fan. I handed him one of the pamphlets that I grabbed earlier. He didn't want to get out because there's actually no stopping at any time sign over here, but we don't give a fuck. We're in Texas, all the way from California, went through Virginia, suffered through Arkansas. Of course we're gonna park. This is what we're here for. This is what we're here for, baby. Let's go. See, just as I was saying, right as we're about to leave, more fans pull up. Well, they're either fans or they're gonna tell us to get the fuck out of here. But they're probably fans. They probably get fans every single day. They're probably gonna print these out like 100, 200 every month or more. Wow, big printer bill. But it's okay, they're probably loaded after getting paid to use the house as a filming location. All right, so we're at the third location. We are at the old mill that was used in the movie. And there's a lot of graffiti on it. And that's a penis right there. Yeah. But this one's right off of the road. And there's a town right there and houses everywhere. So we gotta be really discreet and quiet because there's also a lot of no trespassing signs. But it's all good. We'll be quick. Or not. It's too dope to be quick. People are definitely squatting here. You think? I don't know. I'd squat here. I mean, I might pop a squat here pretty soon. I gotta take a shit from being so overwhelmed how awesome this is.
Oh, the tractor's still there.
Oh, fuck.
Bro, we gotta get this shit.
Damn. Tractor store.
All kinds of spider webs on me now.
Go, go! They're coming after us! They're gaining on us! They're gaining on us! Damn. Echo, echo, echo. Any crackheads in here? Any crackheads in here? Any crackheads in here? This is fucking creepy. All right, the only way to get in here is through right there. This shit's pretty fucking whack. All right.
So this is where they open the locker.
Yeah, this is the locker where the possum jumps out. Skaggs just informed me on that. I kind of forgot about that part of the movie. It's been a couple of years, but I do remember that. Some ladders. Hey, okay. This is looking sick, though. Dude, this is so sketchy. I'm like afraid to fucking even get on here. Come. All right, so we just finished going to the third and final location of Texas Chainsaw Massacre, 2003. I'm still kind of speechless right now. I'm still like a loss for words. I think he is too, because the entire drive we've just been kind of quiet, like that whoa moment. But this guy, it's his all-time favorite movie. Like, it's one of my favorite horror movies, not my all-time favorite. No, this guy, like, since the moment we could walk, he was like obsessed with Texas Chainsaw Massacre, specifically this movie. So this is a big day for us. So I'm really curious to get your input. What was your favorite part, Skaggs? So we went to the slaughterhouse, the main house, the Hewitt residence house, and then we just went to the old mill. I'm gonna give my input, but I just want to hear yours first. I think everyone wants to hear yours first. Hear yours first.
On which one?
Your favorite, and for which reasons? Of course, you left them all. But
My favorite is my favorite was the slaughterhouse. It was the first one we visited, and I kind of like he was saying, it's like wow factor, like holy shit. This is a real place. It's it's still an operating slaughterhouse. And I got to talk to the guy that worked there.
Yeah, that was cool.
He's been working there since
Yeah, I think the slaughterhouse was probably one of my favorite. Oh, it's hard to beat the main house, because since we're so anticipated the entire drive, we were like just super like anxious almost about it. So right when we first saw the slaughterhouse, it was right off the freeway, like you could see it from the freeway, and it was legit like in a town. So I just love the idea about like how you could live in this town called Taylor, go get your meat every day from the same place where like one of the greatest movies ever was filmed. Like that's so cool to me. Like I think that's like why Taylor might be my favorite, but I think the main house is my favorite because that's what you always associate Texas Chainsaw Massacre with. When you see that house, like dude, I was just like, oh shit, like this is the house. This is the house. Like, you know, in your head it's just like it's fiction in your head, but it's a real thing out here in Texas. It's crazy. What do you think about the house?
I liked it. I've seen it so many times though. Like,
oh yeah, that's true. You watch a lot of videos of other people doing exactly what we do. So yeah, I mean, the house was just, it just sticks out there. It's just a single house. Was it 2-3 stories? It's just right there. It's fucking insane. And then the mill I think was the coolest, because one of the coolest, because I mean, there's only 3, but they're all so cool. But we could go and explore. We could go and explore there. Well, even though we weren't supposed to, we still did. So we kind of just said fuck it and got a little confident and ended up having a really good time. Got some really good footage in there. But
it'll be very in detail cinematics on my channel.
So
if you guys want to know.
But yeah, I'm definitely gonna be plugging his channel because he's making an entire video about the entire road trip.
Clips from the grab from the movie. And
yeah. His will be like professionally edited. Mine's scuffed. Mine's just, you know, my like, I'm not doing this for you guys. I've told you a million times. It's for me. Like, fuck you guys. This is the shit right here. You gotta come see in person anyways. Like, it doesn't even do justice like these videos. So far though, Texas, I fuck with Texas. I love you, Texas.
I like Texas.
I wouldn't mind coming back for an extended stay, if you know what I mean. But for now, we gotta get to San Antonio.
Taylor.
Well, we're going back to Taylor to refilm one scene, but after that, we'll see you in San Antonio. All right, sorry that the sun is like making us all like super white, but it's sunny in Texas, can't do much about it. Can't complain either. All right, have a good day. Have a good rest of your guys' lives. Go get out of your fucking room and stop watching TV. Go do some fun shit like this. Get off your computer.
Watch TV. We love
TV. Yeah. Okay, watch TV, but then go to all the locations that the movie was filmed in. Yeah. All right. Life is fucking awesome. Loving this road trip. Having a great fucking time. I wish the best for all y'all. Have a good rest of your life.